Let's go now to practice problem number 4. Expand the series, the summation of 2 raised to n, where n is equal to 0, up to 4. So we're given such sigma notation, so we are required to expand that and evaluate for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have the final answer as expanded to be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So we have problem number 5. Write the following in sigma notation: 4, 8, 16, 32, ellipsis plus 10, 24. Write in sigma notation. Solution, terms are powers of 2. So we have 2 squared up to 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So the final answer will be the summation of 2k from k is equal to 10 up to 10. And then we have practice problem number 6. Express the series in sigma notation. 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus ellipsis plus 140. So we're given that that series. So required writing it in the sigma notation. Since there is a common difference of 7, so our term will be 7k with k from 1 up to 20 because 7 times 20 is equal to 140. Meaning 140 is the 20th term. And so, the final answer will be the summation of 7k from k equal to 1 up to 20. Number 7, expand the following summation. So, summation of k squared plus 2k from k is equal to 1 to 5. So, we're given such summation and we are required to expand it. So, what we only need to do is just simply substitute 1 up to 5 to our k squared plus 2k and then do the computation. So we have 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 3 squared plus 2 times 3 plus 4 squared plus 2 times 4 plus the 5 squared plus 2 times 5. So the final answer in simplified expansion is 3 plus 8 plus 15 plus 14 plus 35. Number 8, express in sigma notation. 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus ellipsis plus 1 over 10. We are required to express it in sigma notation. Solution, the general term 1 over k, and then for k is equal to 2 up to 10. So the answer is the summation of 1 over k from k is equal to 2 up to 10. Number 9, expand the notation. So we have the summation of k cubed over k is equal to 1 up to the 4th power. So we are required to expand. So our evaluate k cubed for k is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the expanded form is 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64. And of course, if you are asked to get the sum, that is equivalent to 100. But you are not asked, you are only asked for the expansion. No? So number 10, write the following in sigma notation. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus ellipsis plus 99. So we're given 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus ellipsis plus 99. Required, write in sigma notation. Solution, add numbers given. So you have 2k minus 1. So k is equals to 1 to 50. Since 2 times 50 minus 1 is equal to 99. So the final answer will be the summation of 2k minus 1 from the value of k equal to 1 up to 50. MCQ for Lesson 21, Expressing and Expanding Series in Sigma Notation. Problem number 1. Which of the following is the correct expanded form of the summation of 2k plus 1 from k is equal to 1 to 4? So we have um, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, B, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, C, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, D, 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15. Number 2, the series 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 can be written in sigma notation as A, summation of 2k from k is equal to 1 up to 5, B, summation of 4k from k equal to 1 up to 5, and then summation of k plus 3 from k is equal to 1 up to 5. And then we have summation of 5k from k is equal to 1 up to 5. Number 3, which of the following represents the sum of the first n natural numbers? A, summation of 1 from k is equal to 1 up to n. And then B, summation of k squared from k is equal to 1 to n. Letter C, summation of k from k is equal to 1 up to n. Letter D, summation of k cubed from k is equals to 1 up to n. Number 4, what is the sigma notation for the series 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 157? So we have a summation of 3k from limits from k is equal to 1 to 5. Letter B, summation of k plus 3 from k is equal to 1 up to 5. C, summation of 2k plus 1 um, from k equal to 1 to 5. And then letter D, summation of 5k minus 2 from k is equal to 1 up to 5. Number 5, which of the following expresses the expanded form of summation of k squared from k equal to 1 to 3? Letter A, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Letter B, 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. C, 2 plus 4 plus 6. D, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. Number 6, the notation summation of 1 from k equal to 1 to n represents A, the sum of all odd numbers up to n, the sum of all even numbers up to n, the sum of n ones, the sum of all natural numbers up to n. Number 7. Which of the following is equivalent to the series 2, 4, 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16? That is summation of 2k from k equal to 1 up to 4. Letter B, summation of 2 raised to k from k equal to 0 up to 3. C, summation of k squared from k equal to 1 up to 4. Letter D, summation of 2k from k equal to 1 up to 4. Number 8, the expression summation of 2k minus 1 from k is equal to 1 to n represents which type of numbers? Even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, multiples of 2. And then number 9. What is the sigma notation for the sequences 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20? Letter A, summation of k plus 5 from k equal to 1 up to 4. Letter D, summation of 5k from k equal to 1 up to 4. Letter C, summation of 2k plus 1 from k is equal to 1 up to 4. Letter D, summation of 4k from k equal to 1 up to 4. Number 10. Which of the following expands into 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64? So we have summation up to k from k is 1 to 4. B, summation of k squared from k equal to 1 to 4. Letter C, summation of k cubed from k equal to 1 to 4. Letter D, summation of 2 raised to k from k equal to 1 to 4. And then, the answer key for lesson 21, please proceed to lesson 22. And then the answer key for lesson 20, illustrating arithmetic and geometric series, is as follows. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next meeting. Thank you, everyone.